Improving sleep quality can transform your life. First, establish a consistent routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier to drift off and rise naturally. Next, create a relaxing bedtime environment. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet, and limit screen time an hour before bed to avoid that pesky blue light that messes with melatonin production. Caffeine and alcohol? Best to limit those, especially in the evening. Caffeine can linger in your system, while alcohol might disrupt your sleep cycle later on. Incorporating relaxation techniques like deep breathing or gentle stretches can signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Lastly, be mindful of what and when you eat. Heavy meals or spicy foods close to bedtime can lead to discomfort. Opt for a light snack if you're hungry, like a banana or yogurt. Prioritizing these tips can lead to a more restful night and a more energized day.